This is Sakatas Homma's breadth and relative strength slash sector rotation dashboard I just made for you guys, for my good friends on Twitter. So I'll quickly show you how to use this, and let me say this is absolutely free. I made this on charting is a free tool, scanning tool, as well as very good tool. So, and I've also written a thread about this, and just want you to give a more in-depth uh, view of how to use it, right? So, see, this is for sectors and this is for industry rotation. As these are two same chart. So you can basically sort कि hey last 1 month में कौन सा sector ने सबसे बढ़िया काम किया है, right? So that would be your telecom, right? So telecom, textiles, these guys have done well. Similarly, in last 3 months, the names would be, just a minute. So last 1 month may auto, pharma, bank, these are the good names. The last 3 months may would be similar names, autos, IT. So IT, you would be surprised कि IT क्यों आ रहा है यहाँ पे, because large caps are not doing well. But hey, small and mid cap ITs are really did well, right? So again, that would have been evident if you use this simple breadth indicator. And banks, farmers, they've been doing really well. Realty has been doing really well. So another way to sort the relative strength is the IBD, the William O'Neill styled IBD relative strength. So this gives you an arbitrary value, but the value doesn't matter. What matters is to sort it out from highest to lowest, right? So if you see realty, media, metal, banks, textiles, autos, finance in the last 3 months or so. So this is for last 3 months, right? That. And so then you have other components which are like very basic. These are very basic, right? So you shouldn't be paying someone to know all these very basic figures. That's why I made this right now. So for example, if you want to know that what percentage of stocks are above RSI 50, and you sort it to highest, you can see that QSR, all 100% stocks are above RSI 50, right? Banks 94% are RSI above RSI 50, autos 89, so on and so forth. So if you sort it according to this, also it will give you an idea of what are the strongest sectors. Now similarly you can do it so this is percentage of stocks above 20-day moving average, and this will give you a short-term relative momentum. So you know that banks have been doing well, autos, as you know, have been doing really well, and oils now have started to do well. Pharma has been doing well for some time. So now if you sort that for a 50-day moving average, again you will see like QSR, telecom, banks, auto, pharma, and these are the names you also inherently know, from how the market is going on, what are the new names coming up, what are the names which are doing well. So ये ऐसे आपको intuitively पता चल जाता है, but again if you back it via from the data, that gives you an even better. So in a longer term, you see banks have been outperformer, right? So longer term मतलब 200 day moving average में देख रहा हूँ, and autos also. So another one, and this is a very short-term sort of breadth indicator, which is basically the advance minus decline percentage. So this means that today, so this is for daily, and you can again do this for weekly and other numbers as well, right? So in here, what I want to see is how many. So let's say out of all QSR names, how many actually advanced, so basically we know that last Friday was a little bearish day, so none of them advanced, but none of them declined as well, like similarly in media, there were only like 5% of stocks that actually declined, but you see how many of the highest decline were in banks. So this is one day advanced decline, right? So if you can see advanced decline in weekly and monthly time frame, that will give you even a better idea. I haven't coded it yet, but I have those things in my advanced dashboard. Now in similarly the new high new low number, right? So this is basically what percentage of stocks, so this is net, which means that what percentage of stocks are hitting new high, 52-week high, and what percentage of stocks are hitting 52-week low. So again, this is very straightforward, right? number of stocks which hit 52-week high would be the sector which is doing well, and those which are hitting 52-week low, which will be the stocks sectors which is not doing well. So if you then directly sort, and you can see the strongest sectors will come out first: auto, pharma, banks. These are very strong. Now you can do similar thing in breadth in terms of industry, and you can see that, hey, which is not doing which are the names which are doing well. So electrodes, automobiles, electric equipment, refineries, engineering, auto ancillary, healthcare. So these are the ones which are showing very high momentum, right? Similarly, if you sort it with the IBT one, also you will get similar names: electric equipments, automobiles, engineering, brewing, so SDBL and stuff like that. Shipping has been like doing really really well. Bearings are doing really well. And likewise, the names which are not doing well is like fertilizers, except for like one or two. Like, see, fact has been doing well, but other fertilizers have not been doing well, so that would be evident in here. um, in so so similarly, those kind of things which you will be able to see from here also. Pumps minus 10% in 1 month, computers, scooters not that great. But if you see in 1 month, automobiles, the other names, not the scooter ones. So from here you will also see from autos also which are the ones which are doing well and which are the ones which are not doing well, right? So this is a very nice way to again see sector rotation and all. Now, another way which is very important is to see that, hey, if all of these are fine, but can you also tell me which are the stocks which are above all key moving average, meaning like 20 के ऊपर भी है, 50 के ऊपर भी है, और 200 के ऊपर भी है. So you can see the banks are the strongest in this case, right? Now, now if you want to see that, okay, for example, let's say tomorrow you want to see that, since you know that auto is a very strong sector, or let's say auto, in this case, auto ancillaries, let's say automobiles, ICV, these are the most important sector. So what you do is like you put auto here, and then in the Minervini trend template, bro, it will give you all the auto names. And once you get to this, you can do another thing is like, hey, I'm going to sort this according to the relative strength, right? So here you see what is the 3 month का relative strength, सबसे highest कौन सा है? Olectra, because like Olectra is a very strong stock right now. Talbro Auto, JBM, Tata Motors, Apollo, Lumax, Sundaram, Gibril, M&M, Mindacor. So now it will tell you ki, like, these are the strongest sector in that stock, right? So if you want to see, okay, I don't even want all of that, all of the auto names, but you want to just see automobiles. So in here also you will see that this, because you know that in auto also, automobiles, ICVs and HCVs are the better performing. This one, in 1 month time frame, you will have Olectra, Tata Motor, Force Motor, SML, Suzuki, whatever it is. So amazing, right? Now, the last thing I want to show you is the sectoral return in terms of 1 month moving, this 1 month. So you can see that whenever a sector starts to outperform, you just need to see this graph, right? So right now, this is bank, okay? The bank is just started to outperform and the other names, right? So in this case, there was this telecom. Sometime back there was, I think, yeah, telecom. Sometime back again, QSR. So like this, once one of the names start to show outperformance in the monthly time frame, you can do this in any other time frame as well. You will already know that, hey, so I will have to choose at least some banks in my portfolio. So that was a quick video. Want to keep it below 10 minute. So yeah, if you want this, you just retweet this one, and if you want a more advanced version of this, what I have is I also write technical take. This is my weekly newsletter. Right now about 1400 people are reading it, and if you are a beginner, you should definitely check it out. And as a I also give the advanced version of the breadth sheet and all. as a gift for referral bonuses, right? So yeah, do do check it out and let me know.